Hello and welcome. In this video, we will configure the WooCommerce checkout page WhatsApp button in the ChatHelp plugin. This feature allows customers to quickly contact your store through WhatsApp directly from the checkout page while they are about to complete their order. Customers sometimes need clarification about payment methods, delivery options, or product details before placing their order. By adding a WhatsApp button on the checkout page, you allow them to contact your store instantly without leaving the checkout process. We will go through every available option and also preview the results on the front end so you can clearly see how each setting affects the WhatsApp button. Let's begin. First, open the WooCommerce tab inside the ChatHelp plugin and select Checkout Page. By default, the option WhatsApp button on the checkout page is disabled. When this option is disabled, no additional settings appear, and the WhatsApp button will not be displayed on the checkout page. Now let's enable WhatsApp button on the checkout page. Once enabled, several configuration options will appear that allow you to control how the WhatsApp button works and how it looks. The first option is WhatsApp type. Here you can choose between number or group. If you select number, customers will start a direct WhatsApp conversation with your store. If you select group, users will be redirected to join your WhatsApp group instead. Let's first configure the number option. Next is the WhatsApp number field. Here you need to enter your WhatsApp number, including the country code. For example, you should enter the number starting with the country code followed by the phone number. This ensures WhatsApp correctly opens the chat when the button is clicked. The next option is button position. This setting determines where the WhatsApp button will appear on the checkout page layout. You can place the button near the checkout form so customers can easily contact you if they need assistance before placing their order. Next, we have the pre-filled message option. This message will automatically appear inside WhatsApp when a customer clicks the button. You can customize this message to match your store workflow. For example, you might include a message like, "Hello, I have a question about my order." You can also include dynamic variables that automatically add useful information, such as the website title, page title, or other context related to the request. These variables help store owners quickly understand what the customer is referring to. Next is Include with Cart Info. This option allows the plugin to include helpful checkout information in the message. For example, you can include the product URL or the tax amount from the cart. This makes it easier for store owners to identify which products the customer is asking about. Next, we configure the WooCommerce button style. This option controls how the WhatsApp button appears on the checkout page. You can select a button style that fits the design of your store, so the button blends naturally with your website layout. Next, we have the button main label. This is the text that appears on the WhatsApp button. For example, a common label is, "How may I help you?" This makes it clear to customers that they can contact support directly through WhatsApp. Next is Icon for Button. Here you can choose which icon appears alongside the button text. Icons help visitors quickly recognize that the button is used for communication. Next, we have button size. This setting controls how large the button appears on the checkout page. Depending on your layout, you may choose a smaller or larger button for better visibility. Next are the color customization options. You can configure the icon color, icon background, and button label color. Each option includes both normal color and hover color, which controls how the button looks when users move their cursor over it. These options allow you to match the button with your store's design and branding. Next, we have the button border settings. Here you can configure the border width, border style, border color, and the border radius. Border radius controls how rounded the button corners appear. Next is button padding. Padding controls the spacing inside the button around the icon and the label. Increasing padding makes the button appear larger and easier to click. Then we have button margin. Margin controls the spacing around the outside of the button so it does not feel crowded within the checkout layout. Finally, we have button visibility. This option allows you to control where the button appears depending on the device type. You can display the button on all devices or limit it to desktop, tablet, or mobile. Now let's take a look at how this works on the front end. After enabling the WhatsApp button on the checkout page and entering your WhatsApp number, the WhatsApp button will appear on the checkout page. Customers can click this button, and WhatsApp will open with the pre-filled message ready to send. This allows customers to quickly contact your store while they are reviewing their order. Now let's return to the backend and briefly look at the Group option. If we select Group, the WhatsApp number field is replaced with a WhatsApp Group link field. When customers click the button, they will be redirected to join the WhatsApp group instead of starting a private chat. This option can be useful if you want to invite customers into a support or community group. And that's how you configure the WooCommerce checkout page WhatsApp button using the ChatHelp plugin. With just a few simple settings, you can allow customers to contact your store instantly while they are on the checkout page.